How to create or delete a contacts group on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here, tap on contacts. Next, tap on the menu button. Then, in here, you want to expand groups by tapping on groups to expand the list. And then tap on create group. Give the group a name. And then you can assign a ringtone sound to the group. And in here you can add in member. So I'm going to add in members to the group. Then tap on done. And then tap on saved. And that's it. So all the contacts in this group from now on will receive the same ringtone that we have assigned to the group. You can also edit the group to add in additional members or remove existing members. And that's it. To delete the group, simply go back to that context menu, touch and hold on the group, then tap on delete group only, or delete group and move members to the trash. So I'm going to choose delete group only. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.